Your iPhone usually shows notifications like this with a little preview of the contents. But you can also set it to show them like this, simply informing you there's a notification without showing you anything else. You can change this by going to Settings and scrolling down to Notifications. Tap Show Previews, and you can choose how and when previews are displayed. You can have them always on or show them only when your phone is unlocked. Or just choose Never if you never want notifications to have any content previews in them. Changing this setting will change it system-wide for all your apps, but there's also a way to change it on an app-by-app basis. If you go back to your notification settings, there's a list of all your apps when you scroll down. Choose any app from the list and you can change the preview setting for each app individually. This is nice when you want to use one setting for most of your apps, but set a few specific apps to behave differently. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe for more easy and quick tutorials like this.